Recipe number 1 is peas puree. This is just frozen peas, so it's already been cooked. I'm just warming this up with a cup of water, and I'm just gonna simmer this for about 3 minutes. To cool these off completely before popping it in the blender. I'm storing all my homemade baby food in these great jars. They are PUREE baby jars, and they're all glass and non-toxic. So if you want more information, please visit www.pureebaby.com, also on Instagram at pureee.baby. And they come with this great non-toxic easy erase marker, as well as 2 bamboo baby spoons. They also come with this brochure that has a lot of easy to follow baby food recipes. Recipe number 2, zucchini puree. So make sure you cook this with the skin on and don't peel them. Let them fully cool off before popping them in the blender. Next up is squash puree. I basically just chop this up in little cubes so it's faster to cook them. Fourth recipe of today is potato puree. Either boil or steam the potatoes, but today I am boiling it with a cup of filtered water. This one takes about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how big your potatoes are. Next one is green beans puree. Steam this for about 8 to 10 minutes, making sure that they're not overcooked. Next is sweet potato puree. You can either steam, boil, or bake the sweet potatoes. Next one is broccoli and cauliflower. Broccoli and cauliflower are both considered a superfood, and not just because of their all amazing nutrients and minerals, but they also contain a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Last recipe of the day is carrot puree. Boil or steam for 10 to 12 minutes or till tender. Let it fully cool off before popping it in the blender.